That's a red bird right there. You see that? It's a red bird. It's a red bird. That little red thing, it's a bird. It's a red bird. Oh no, no way. Look, it's snowing so much. And the birds are eating the bird. Oh, the red bird's right there. You see? It's right there. A little bit not clear, but yeah. That's the red bird. There's the red bird on camera. Oh, little birdie. The red bird right there. Wait, it flew away. It's snowing so much. The little bird is on the bench. It's so cool. I always think that red thing right there is the red bird. It's not. So many snow. It's snowing so much. There's some right there. I'm going to show you the front. This is the front yard. It's full of snow. Those bushes up there. But yeah, the front yard. It's full of snow. You can barely see the grass.